What is something you wish you had more of? Would it be money? If you said yes, let me ask you this next question. What is more precious than money? Time. Time with your family, time with your friends, time for you and doing the things you love to do. But the rule in today's society is that if we want to even be able to enjoy our time, we must sacrifice a large amount of it by selling ourselves for an hourly rate at a job. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how much of it really belongs to you? You are not here by accident. The problem is we don't have enough time or freedom. And here we have a solution. But first, no need for introductions. Think of me simply as the voice of reason and a voice for a movement. We are a movement, a wave of people different and alike who have found a solution. We've been able to generate constant cash flow, a sustainable income using today's greatest resource, the internet. We've been able to unlock both time and freedom by conveniently working from our smartphones promoting on social media. Yes, you heard me right. The time and energy you put on a daily basis on your smartphone, people in our team have been doing the same, yet making an income while doing so. In other words, the time you spent watching this video, you could have been generating cash flow. You're probably asking how. Well, it's very simple. With this amazing company called My Economy, or My Econ for short. My Econ is a financial success business whose sole purpose is to teach others like you and me financial education. They offer credit restoration, credit building, income shifting, and many other financial courses. They even help you take home more money from your job without having to put in any extra hours, simply by correcting your tax documents. So how does an extra $200 or more a month minimum sound, just from your job alone, or an increased credit score? These are all services you have direct access to, so why not work with a financial success company while building more income and achieving financial freedom? This is a no-brainer, guys. Just take a look at all those that have already taken advantage of the services in the membership alone. The My Econ membership starting cost is usually $99.95 and $34 a month to continue your services. But just for you, we brought the starting price down to half, to $49.95. All thanks to our friend that has brought you here. And although these services are amazing, there's a lot more. My Econ is paying people just like you and me to grow the company. And while you may ask us why, we ask you, why not? Why dump hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars into traditional advertisements like TV commercials, billboards, radios, all those that don't necessarily guarantee them results, when they can pay people like us who use the most powerful and influential resource to date, social media? Don't just take it from me. Here are just a few people who were in your exact place once upon a time and just went for it. And they're already seeing life-changing results.
I was Christy, and within 2 months of joining this company, I was able to increase my credit score by 140 points and have 15 negative medical and credit card collection accounts removed from my credit report. I am now able to share my results with other people and put them on the right path to repairing their credit, increasing their cash flow, and eliminating debt like thousands of other associates that are already in this company.
Hey guys, my name is Jessica, and I just wanted to hop on to give my quick personal testimony. Not only have I watched my credit score increase with this opportunity, but I've also been able to bring an additional income stream into my household and enjoy more time here with my family.
Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm just actually doing this live or this video because I want to let you know the great benefits of this online opportunity. It's definitely been a blessing to me and my family. I'm able to have time freedom on my hands, and I'm also able to earn a weekly paycheck, which is awesome, and it is a blessing. Anybody that's actually watching this video, you need to take action and get down with this opportunity. It's definitely a movement and a game changer. Please go back to the person that sent you this video or showed it to you, because you will not regret it. Thank you. Peace.
We do everything online, so no door-to-door selling or bugging family and friends. Your success is not based off of who you know, We simply post advertisements for the company on the many different social media platforms, and when people join through your link, you get paid. That's simple. You can make anywhere from $20 to $100 a sale. Put things into perspective. You can make a potential $1,000 check with just 10 sales. Plus, there are monthly residuals on top of getting paid on your sales. And the sky is the limit. Like I said, we don't depend on who we know. It's more of so what we know. And everything you need to know is provided in our step-by-step training and in our weekly webinars and our private training group. You will have all the resources you need to be successful. And while you may think you're incapable of generating sales, there's over 2 billion active users on the internet. Trust me, you are more than capable. The real question is, are you willing? Stop selling yourself short. Is your time worth more than minimum wage? We have everyone from different ends of the spectrum. Moms, dads, college students, dropouts, and well, you get the point. And they have all seen a massive change in their lives, both financially and mentally. Now, we're not here trying to sell you a dream or advertise that this is a get-rich-quick overnight, because this is not that. We're simply building a business together, and by doing so, we've been able to turn this community into a family, so no, you will not be alone. We see the potential in you, and this is why you were brought here, and the simple fact that you're still watching this video right now means something. It means that you see the potential not just with my econ, but in yourself and how it can change your situation. Your situation is not an excuse, but a reason to get started and become your own boss by building your business all conveniently from your smartphone. And this is the solution which gives you more time for you and the things that you love. The next steps are obvious. Get started. And of course, welcome to the team. Or should I say, the My Econ family.